Under certain conditions, the length of time that it takes for fruit to ripen during the growing season varies inversely as the average maximum temperature during the season. If it takes 25 days for fruit to ripen with an average maximum temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit, find the number of days it would take at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Round the answer to the nearest whole number. We're told that the time it takes for the fruit to ripen varies inversely as the average maximum temperature. Let's let time be lowercase t and the average maximum temperature be capital T. And time is in days, and the average maximum temperature is in degrees Fahrenheit. We're told that the variation is inverse variation and that the time varies inversely as the maximum temperature. And so we have lowercase t is equal to k over capital T. We're also told that it takes 25 days for the fruit to ripen with an average maximum temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So we can solve for k using this information by substituting 25 for lowercase t and 80 for capital T. So we have 25 equals k divided by 80. We solve this equation by multiplying both sides of the equation by 80 and finding that k is equal to 2,000. Now we know that our inverse variation equation is lowercase t is equal to 2,000 divided by capital T, the temperature. Now we can use this equation to find the number of days, lowercase t, that it would take when the temperature, capital T, is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. We have the time, lowercase t, is equal to 2,000 divided by 75, which is equal to 80 divided by 3, or 26 2/3. Rounding to the nearest whole number, we find that it would take approximately 27 days.